Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the link on your iPhone. This is how FaceTime reaches Android. Open FaceTime, tap Create Link and give the session a clear name so recipients recognize it. Once done, tap Share and choose Messages or your preferred app. The link itself handles compatibility. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or a strong LTE/5G connection because video quality depends on bandwidth. You're sending access, not an app, so the Android user only needs a browser to join. You instruct the Android participant to tap the link and open it in Chrome or Edge. Safari on Android isn't used. They must allow camera and microphone prompts. Those permissions let video and audio pass through the browser. Then enter a display name and tap Join. You, on the iPhone, will see a waiting notification and must accept. Once connected, make sure the Android user selects the right camera and mics. Switching to landscape gives a wider framing and often better stability. You wrap the session up by managing participants from your iPhone, tap the Participants button to add, mute, or remove someone, and end the call when finished. If video stutters, make sure both sides switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network, close other streaming apps, and reposition near the router to reduce packet loss. If the Android user can't join, tell them to clear browser permissions, reload the link, or copy it into a fresh Chrome tab. Commonly, reauthorizing camera/mic access fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.